friend, Chad. Chad introduced me to Anita, Dan, and 3 guys from America. So then it is my great pleasure to know these people because of in my life is a great experience and a great experience from my community. So then when I met Chad to QPT, Kala Pilatana, start greening, living green. I met Chad 2 months ago. So then Chad, he said to me, I said to Chad, you can see me when I'm unemployed. So then I met Chad and said, Chad, I want a job. I want a job. So then Chad looked at me and said, no man, come and I will show you what can you make yourself money. I said, okay, I was excited. So then when I go, it was on Saturday, he said, on Saturday what you are going to do? No, nothing. I want that money. I go with Chad. When I get to Chad, I met Anita and I look at it, what is going on here? Chad, come. I'm going to get money. Chad, no, this is all. You must learn to build and go to the community. Go, one day you will build your own house. I said, my Chad, you think I'm crazy. I do this trash bottle and the type. No, I won't go there again. So then it was my first time. Go there, and when you stand to try, I was too tired. So then, when it was end of the day, I go back, and I was so furious with Chad. Say, Chad, you don't, and I was so, and I have nothing, you give me nothing. I said, Chad, so then, I want my man took my man. He said, no, he said, so you are going to build. I said, okay. And I said to him for the rest of the week. And he said, hey, don't forget on Saturday, you are going to build. I said, okay. Again, I don't get any money. He said, yes. But I realized at my decision when I was sitting alone, I said, why Marchet want me to go and build? No man, there is something here. And I started on that, it was on Friday. I started saying, I'm going to build. I'm going to do a difference to my community because at my community when I see, there are a lot of people who stay in the shed. There's other old lady, he does not have electricity and he stays at the shed. So then I said, when I know this to build, I'm going to build and for this Memakwani's house. So then I go and tell my little sister, I'm going to the building. Okay, going there and build up until now. And to me, this building, I must do it every day because of it is in my blood now. In my blood because of I see, and I've got a lot of skills. When I see a different thing, they can give me the trash bottle, the type, and I tell all the people when I stay with me, I'm going to be a richest businesswoman. And coming 2 years, definitely sure, I'm going to be. So then I thank QPT for this learning skill for me and for my community because of I know at the end of the day they will benefit my community and help my community. And I like to say volunteer too. I volunteer. So then I learn to volunteer. It's for helping people. So then I know one day I'll be helped. Thank you.